In this video, I will be showing you how to create wall art design on Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll go to the search bar on the home screen and type in wall design to see what templates are available. I'll browse through the results and click on this pink coquette wallpaper. Then I'll select Customize this template to open it up in the editor. Once the design loads, I'll click Add Page at the bottom to start a brand new project. Now, I'll head over to the Magic Media tool in the sidebar to generate a custom image. I'm entering a prompt for a vintage botanical illustration with tulips and daffodils in a 19th century naturalist style. I'll click Generate Images and wait for the AI to provide a few different versions. I like this one with the yellow and purple flowers, so I'll click to add it to my canvas. To finish, I'll right-click the image and select Set Image as Background, so it fills the entire page perfectly. And now my wall art design is ready to print and put on the frame to hang on the living room.